अगर सब ऑडियंस ने बोला नहीं हम इस सीजन से खुश नहीं है, we need more.
एक और season.
Obviously it takes a little bit of time. You read the part, you kind of understand where you're at with it, and I was surprised.
Between a certain two lines I was operating, and over here I really got an opportunity to showcase a lot of grey in my character.
फीमेल फ्रेंडशिप पे इतनी कम चीजें बनी हैं कि जब ये आया तो लोगों ने इसको ऐसे एम्ब्रेस किया है एंड दे डोंट वांट टू लेट गो.
Hi, I'm Anusya Sengupta and you're watching us on IWM Buzz.
Hi, I'm Arunima Sharma, the director of FOMO Shot Season 4, and you're watching us on IWM Buzz.
Hi, I'm Neha Parthi Matiani. I'm the director and the DOP of FOMO Shots Please, and please watch us on IWM Buzz.
Hi, I'm Rajiv Siddharth. Please watch us on IWM Buzz.
Hi guys, welcome to IWM Buzz. Four More Shot Please is back again with a new season, but this will be a finale. So आपने ऑडियंस को आते ही एक्साइटमेंट के साथ नर्वसनेस भी कर दिया कि ये फिनाले होने वाला है. क्या कहना चाहेंगे? ये जो फिनाले का जो पोस्टर में आपने डाल दिया है, ऑडियंस इज नॉट हैप्पी नाउ. दे आर लाइक व्हाई फिनाले.
पर अब उनको और देखने का मन करेगा कि ऐसा क्यों है कि ये लोग क्यों एंड कर रहे हैं.
You want more of what you can't have.
और वो चेरिश करेंगे ना फिर क्योंकि खत्म होने वाला है.
ट्रू ट्रू.
And they will want it so much, then who knows? They will not be the finale.
सो कैन वी से ये जो फिनाले है इसका स्पिन ऑफ भी आ सकता है इन फ्यूचर?
मीन्स फ्यूचर में तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. फिल्म बन सकती है. और अगर सब ऑडियंस ने बोला नहीं हम इस सीजन से खुश नहीं है, we need more.
एक और सीजन आ रहा है.
तो बोलेंगे Amazon Prime Video को.
But who decided to bring like end for this now?
I mean that's a whole collective decision, I think,
Yeah.
with the
Producers,
decision makers, the
creators.
producers, creators, yeah.
As always, even this season have a new star cast with us. How you want to describe this star cast?
So let me start with saying कि जब बोला गया हमें कि Anasuya is an option for the character of Shai, who is coming opposite Bani's character. I almost thought she's not going to say yes. Okay, so जब उसने हाँ बोला तो सब बहुत excited थे because it is like come on, she's a Cannes Award winner. We were like almost in awe of the achievement, you know, and she was fresh off that win, and the only Indian actress to have got that honor. So we were like ki, wow, she's becoming a part of this world. And as a director, I was like, I can't do injustice to this actor that I'm getting, you know. She has to in her parts.
For you guys for having me, because can win or not, the truth also is that my acting career kick-started with the Can win.
True.
So they also took a shot on me, and another shot.
Pleasant one.
So
So
I
when
was
you got
very
the
happy
call for
about
this,
that.
was it always yes or you gave a second thought whether to do or not? Was it like confusing for you?
I mean, no wasn't. I mean, that wasn't it. But obviously, it takes a little bit of time. You read the part, you kind of understand where you're at with it, and I was surprised. And even I was approached with it. Even they were a little bit tentative, saying, "Is this something you would do?" And what I was thinking was, yes, of course I would. I mean, everyone loves the show. Everyone watches the show. I'd love to be a part of it. So yeah, I think the decision was arrived at quite quickly.
And apart from her, Dino Moria, Kunal Roy Kapoor, so there is like fresh new blood. It's not कि हम same चीज आपको recycle करके दे रहे हैं. It is a bigger, better, more fun, more glorious season, you know, because they add. मतलब look at how good an actor Kunal Roy Kapoor is, or Dino. He of course is a good actor, but look at the desirability quotient. Like he was cast as the green flag. The women manifested कि अंजना की लाइफ में अब कोई ऐसा आए जो रेड फ्लैग ना हो. उसने बहुत झेल लिया है, you know. So the casting has really worked out, and we see Rajiv in a new light in this season. So for me, it's almost like his re-debut. You know, there is so much more that he got to do in this season.
That's what I mean. I feel very fortunate because in the first 3 seasons there was a certain, you know, between a certain two lines I was operating, and over here I really got an opportunity to showcase a lot of grey in my character, and a lot of I've been lucky that इसमें बहुत सारे dramatic moments हैं to you know.
And they're going from comedy to drama. His
In the
and
same
Ravi's
scene.
track is very interesting. It keeps you on your toes. कि ये
Yeah.
comedy से कभी भी drama बन सकता है,
सकता है.
romance बन सकता
Yeah.
है. It's a very interesting
As I
track.
saw the trailer, you said there is a fine line between relationship, family और मजाक के बीच में एक फाइन लाइन होता है.
हाँ.
आप उसको पर्सनली किस तरह से डिस्क्राइब करना चाहोगे? बिकॉज देर इज ऑलवेज अ फाइन लाइन इन एवरी रिलेशनशिप, इन
Right.
एवरी वर्क प्रोफेशनलिज्म,
Right.
इन एवरी वे. हाउ
Right.
यू वांट टू डिस्क्राइब दिस?
It differs from relationship to relationship, right?
Yeah.
Or it's very simple. If you have respect for your partner and a deep it's basically respect for anybody who you're with, your friend or your girlfriend or anybody. If you operate from that space of respect, I think आप कुछ भी बोल सकते हो and the other person will take it also well. If it's coming from a place of I want to put the other person down, then it won't be received well also. So I've seen that कि if let's say if something needs improvement or something needs a change, अगर मैं उस respect से आके बोलता हूँ या मैं उस respect से सुनता हूँ वो बात को, it doesn't hurt, चुभता नहीं है,
Yeah.
you know. So I feel that is very important to maintain. I
Yeah.
feel.
राजीव, मैं आपसे जानना चाहूंगी, आज भी आप सब लेडीज के बीच में हैं,
हाँ,
सेट
हाँ.
पे भी वही माहौल
मैं तो
रहता
बहुत लकी
है.
कंसिडर करता हूँ अपने आप
हाउ
को.
इट्स फील टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ, टू बी देयर जहाँ सब लीडिंग लेडीज एक साथ काम कर रही है?
Yeah, ever since season 1, I've been so fortunate to be part of
Yeah.
this whole series because एक तो on many levels, as an actor, भैया you're part of such a big franchise, right? And and you're working with lovely people with a certain harmony on set. And I must say this season as well, thanks to Arunima and thanks to Neha, as an actor मुझे इतना मजा आया काम करके कि यार एक fluidity होती है atmosphere में कि आप you know how I think the best leaders lead without leading. You know, they tell you in such a way that you feel that you've done it yourself. And I think that's the thing I noticed this season where, no, you know, where you do it and you're like, but you know, maybe they've nudged you somehow and that thing has come out in the performance. So yeah,
That atmosphere on the set is very.
it's very important. It's very
True,
important.
true.
Yeah.
नेहा जी, मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी, जब सीज़न 1 आया था, OTT का बिगनिंग था, कोविड में जब रिलीज़ हुआ विद द नेक्स्ट सीज़न, वहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा क्राइम थ्रिलर्स वर्क कर रहे थे. फोमोस्ट शॉट ने टॉप चार्ट किया उस समय, एंड अगेन बैक टू बैक न्यू सीजन्स आए. वो टॉप चार्ट पे मेंटेन रखना अपने आप को नंबर 1 पे, इज इट चैलेंजिंग फ्रॉम योर साइड ऑल्सो? बिकॉज जहाँ क्राइम थ्रिलर्स सबसे ज़्यादा वर्क कर रहे हैं, वहाँ ये सॉफ्ट हार्टेड शो चल रहा है.
आई थिंक फीमेल फ्रेंडशिप पे इतनी कम चीज़ें बनी हैं कि जब ये आया तो लोगों ने इसको ऐसे एम्ब्रेस किया है एंड दे डोंट वांट टू लेट गो बिकॉज इट्स फीमेल फ्रेंडशिप्स आर प्रेशियस एंड आई थिंक दिस शो हैज़ achieved what it has because the women the women who helmet the 4 girls have now become a part of the lives of the audience.
Yeah.
So I think that's the magic of the show.
ट्रू. मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी, ये कैरेक्टर बानी को सबसे ज़्यादा कंपटीशन देने वाला है, बिकॉज यू आर गिविंग, मैंने जितना भी ट्रेलर में देखा है, यू आर गिविंग अ टफ कंपटीशन टू बानी ओनली नाउ. सो क्या कहना चाहिए? आई वुड डिस्क्राइब दिस कैरेक्टर, बिकॉज हमने हमेशा देखा बानी के सामने कोई एकदम शांत सा आता है, कोई सुलझा हुआ आता है, बट नाउ सम बोल्ड कैरेक्टर आया है जो बानी से भी ज़्यादा बोल्ड है.
I would just tweak it a little bit. I don't think it's giving competition. I think it's complementing
Yeah.
Bani's character. क्योंकि we are seeing my character for the first time, पर हम उमंग को देख रहे हैं 3 seasons से.
Yeah.
So it's like उमंग, मेरे लिए that's how I understood my character as well. कि she has gone through these whole 3 seasons and so much, and she's finally met this character, and you need someone at your level, I suppose, to be a good match. Yeah.
रिलेशनशिप को आजकल काफ़ी वे में डिस्क्राइब किया जाता है. हाउ यू लाइक टू डिस्क्राइब रिलेशनशिप नाउ? व्हाट्स योर ऑलवेज टेक, वेदर इट्स अ मॉडर्न लव और ओल्ड स्कूल रोमांस? आप सभी.
I feel like it should, we have to all move with the times. It should be modern love with the heart of old school romance. And I would like to add one more thing to it. Like they say that a lot of women know long lasting love in the form of long abiding female friendships. Okay, like सिर्फ romance प्यार नहीं होता है. Okay, जो आप जिन गर्ल्स के साथ like my college friends, and we have evolved, we've seen each other through bad fashion days, bad hair days, bad boy days, you know, like and from like जो आपके साथ evolve होता है, बड़ा होता है, it's almost like your soulmate spouse, right? It doesn't always have to be in romance. And इस सीरीज ने and a lot of lovely friendship based series do acknowledge that space in our lives that cannot be filled by romantic love. It needs friendship, it needs that bond.
At heart, I'm a old school romance. Any day.
I think actually the first, it can only work whether modern, whether old school is if you love yourself enough.
True.
And that honestly takes a bit of time, at least in my experience. You need to live a little bit of life. And as she was saying, the way women friendships play a very, very essential part in being able to understand yourself and love yourself. So, yeah, I think it's a bit of both.
Rajiv?
I feel that if you're looking for someone else to complete you, then it'll never last. And as Anusuya said, you have to complete yourself, and then you can meet another person who's complete within themselves for romance to last. No, but
You should start new podcast now.
we should.
Okay, so lastly I have a fun segment, who is most likely to, and you both are the best one to give this answer. So the first one is, who is most likely to be late on a set?
Are we allowed
Different
to
days,
say?
different
For girls,
Yeah, different days, different people.
कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता
हो ही
है.
जाता है.
Okay, who is that one person जो सेट पे आते ही एक रौनक लाता है, उनके आते ही पूरी सेट
मानवी.
मानवी.
Yeah, she's like a glow
Light
of
bulb.
light bulb,
Yeah.
hasi, and such a genuine person.
एंड who is that then serious one जो सबसे ज्यादा जिधर भी देखो चुपचाप बैठा रहेगा सेट पे?
चुपचाप तो इनमें से
कोई नहीं
कोई
बैठता.
बैठता नहीं है. Yeah. Sometimes Prateek can be a little in his own zone.
everyone can have a bit of a moody day.
Yeah.
And who is a prankster on a set, who always do a prank or something?
प्रैंक्स तो कोई हुए नहीं. आई थिंक बहुत सीधे बच्चे थे सारे.
हमारे पास और बाकी तरह का ड्रामा है, हमें प्रैंक की जरूरत नहीं. But lots of fiery women on the set.
Yeah.
तो opinions are flying around, कोई खुद को tame नहीं कर रहा है. Like it's that kind of space कि हर कोई everyone can be themselves और उसमें थोड़ा बहुत sparks होगा.
True. Who is that one person जिसकी fashion sense सबसे अच्छा है?
आस्था शर्मा.
Yes, the stylist.
She is the costume designer of the show,
Yeah.
who's put everyone into the looks that they're.
Yeah.
Who is that one
Carrying.
person who is a foodie on a set, who always seen ordering something good?
All of us order
Yeah.
a lot of
Yeah.
food.
That's a difficult one also. Yes.
Okay, lastly who is that one person जो set पे आते ही selfie लेते हुए नजर आता है? या
दामिनी. हाँ.
आते ही ले लेती है.
मतलब she likes her
नहीं, actually
selfies.
set पे नहीं, वो important मौकों पे ले लेती है.
so she is the right one जो capture कर ही लेता
हाँ,
है.
जैसे
Yeah,
कोई
good
टुगेदर
idea,
मोमेंट हो,
yeah.
हम बैंकॉक में मस्ती कर रहे हैं, इट्स वेरी गुड. उसके फोन
Yeah,
पे
great.
जाओ, बहुत अच्छी अच्छी फोटोज
Photos
मिलेंगी.
जाएगी.
सबकी BTS वहाँ से मिल जाएगी.
and Bani, I've heard, has the most BTS
She
pictures,
has
but
the
कभी
most,
share
you
नहीं
will
करती है.
never see them.
दामिनी इज
हाँ.
शायोनी. हाँ.
Yeah. Lastly, one message for the audience because they are excited to see this season now.
वॉच इट सो मच कि लोग अपना डिसीजन चेंज करते हैं.
Absolutely.
Amazon प्राइम और सीजन 5 लेके आए.
Absolutely. मैं तो अभी आई हूँ ना.
Bigger, better, बहुत ही मजा.
जाने की जिद ना करो.
Rajiv, anything you want to add on?
Yeah, this is I think the best season so far in terms of everything. So please binge watch the first 3 seasons till the 19th and then finish this on the 19th itself.
काम दे दिया बहुत.
Homework दे दिया.
Thank you so much and all the best.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.